Embark on a journey through time with the 1956 Oldsmobile 98, a masterpiece that epitomizes mid-century automotive elegance. This flagship model from Oldsmobile's lineup in 1956 showcased a harmonious blend of luxury and performance, captivating car enthusiasts then and now. Be sure to never miss our exciting episode to keep you up to date about all our exciting content. Never forget to like, share, and subscribe us. The 98 series, representing Oldsmobile's pinnacle of luxury, had evolved significantly by 1956. Over the years, it had undergone various modifications, each enhancing its allure and performance. By this model year, the 98 featured a more refined design, with sleek lines and a commanding presence on the road. Its distinctive front grille and stylish tailfins were emblematic of the era's design ethos. Stepping inside, passengers were greeted with an interior that exuded sophistication. Plush seating, adorned with high-quality materials, provided unparalleled comfort. The dashboard was thoughtfully designed, placing controls within easy reach, and the instrument panel offered clear visibility. Attention to detail was evident throughout, from the intricate stitching on the seats to the chrome accents that added a touch of glamour. Under the hood, the 1956 98 was powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower that ensured a smooth and powerful driving experience. This performance was complemented by advanced features for its time, such as power steering and brakes, which enhanced drivability and safety. In today's collector's market, the 1956 Oldsmobile 98 holds a special place. Its value has appreciated over the years, reflecting its status as a classic. Recent auction data indicates that well-preserved models can command prices upwards of $50,000, with exceptional examples fetching even higher sums. For instance, 1956 Oldsmobile 98 Starfire convertible was sold for $57,750 in September 2024. Owning a 1956 Oldsmobile 98 is not just about possessing a vehicle. It's about embracing a piece of automotive history. Its timeless design, luxurious interior, and powerful performance continue to captivate enthusiasts. Whether displayed at car shows or enjoyed on the open road, the 98 remains a testament to Oldsmobile's legacy of excellence. Join our community of classic car aficionados and delve deeper into the stories behind these iconic machines. Share your experiences, learn from fellow enthusiasts, and keep the spirit of automotive history alive. Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and become a part of our journey celebrating the golden age of automobiles.